Here's a simple, brutal fact. Concrete fails slowly. Steel fails instantly. That's why steel design demands sharper logic, cleaner math, and zero tolerance for mistakes. Today, we're breaking steel structures into the three things every engineer must know. 1. Why steel structures matter. Steel is the backbone of skyscrapers, industrial sheds, bridges, towers, stadiums, offshore structures. It's strong, ductile, high-performing, and it behaves very differently from concrete. As concrete hides cracks, steel exposes everything. That's why steel design is unforgiving but powerful. 2. Tension members, the pull-resisting champions. When a member is pulled, it becomes a tension member. Examples: bracings, truss ties, hangers, cables. Key design checks: net area after bolt holes, yielding of gross section, rupture of net section, block shear failure. Here's the catch most students ignore. Bolts reduce the effective area, tension capacity drops. That's why net section calculations matter more than you think. Real-world consequence: wrong tension design, sudden brittle fracture, total collapse. No warning. 3. Compression members. Where buckling rules everything, columns and struts in steel behave nothing like concrete columns. They don't crush first, they buckle. Key concepts: slenderness ratio, Euler buckling, effective length, local versus overall buckling. Compression members don't care about your strength. They care about stability. Even a strong section will fail if it's slender or unsupported. Reality check: most steel structure failures start with buckling, not material weakness. 4. Connections, the heart of steel design. Steel structures rise or fall because of connections, not members. You can have a perfectly designed beam, but if your joint is weak, the whole system collapses. 2 major types. A. Bolted connections, easy to install, replaceable, preferred on-site, ideal for trusses and frames. But bolt holes, area reduction, tension issues, improper tightening, slip failures. B. Welded connections, great for rigid joints, stronger and cleaner, often used in critical frames. But welding quality varies massively. Heat-affected zones can weaken steel. Golden rule: steel design equals 50% member, 50% connection. Ignore either, structure fails. That was the cleanest breakdown of steel structure essentials: tension, compression, and connections. Master these, and you can understand almost any steel building on Earth. In the next lecture, we'll move deeper into structural behavior and bring more real-world engineering into your screen. Keep watching, keep learning.